Hey guys, I made this video just to help you with this assignment, explain anything. Hopefully this will make sense after this. So talking about GMOs, genetically modified organisms. This first part here just asks, let me change it to the pencil. Just asks some questions about this. Also, if you notice, these here are links. I think it takes you to like a Wikipedia, which I realize isn't necessarily the best place or the best source. However, for this, it's fine. So then procedure, you'll create a genetically modified organism to benefit and improve a hypothetical situation. The tables that contain possible host organisms and a donor gene. So, you're going to want to read the example scenario. Back here to the first. All right, and then it's asking you some questions about this. So when it says possible benefits, possible problems, you can use the tables on the back. You know, okay, what gene are you inserting? Use the tables in the back, describe the function. So a lot of these, remember that table in the back is going to be super helpful. Let me flip. All right, next page, some things to point out. One, it says pick one scenario. So you can do this one or this one. You do not need to do both. Please write in, though, however, which one you choose. Answer the questions for that one. So different ones. One is crops, it looks like. One is looking at, oh, wow, interesting. Respiratory disease, wow. Risk of becoming a pandemic. So this file is from years ago, however. That is kind of interesting how current that is. So once again, it's asking about the host organism, asking what gene you'll put in. So you'll answer these questions through there. Then one more question at the end, the Mockingjay. So what is that, from Hunger Games, talking about GMOs. So this one's a fictional one, but is an interesting scenario. So go ahead and answer these questions. So you're really just working your way through it. Read them carefully. These are the tables they are referring to. So it will talk about the host organism. It will talk about the gene and where that's from. So for example, a host of a cow, possible problems. They're big, require high calorie diet, produce a lot of waste. You know, if I want to put, I don't know, say I want to put this donor organism into them. It makes the hair grow in thicker. So I could put that into the cow. Now I would have a cow that produces milk, but the hair is growing in thicker because I put that gene into it. So this is saying these are the possible cons. These are the genes that I can put in to these things up here to change them. So that'll be useful. And once again, remember, this is going to be very helpful. The host organism is what's going to have the new gene. This is what the new gene that you are possibly putting into it. All right, and then possible problems, possible benefits. All right, so keep that in mind for that. Let me know if you have any questions.